Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for the 6-spot break tonight, 6:13, 7 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, we're done 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yoink. The Dorman crew on top and bottom. Teams 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. Randomly is complete. Yoink. Transfer the teams in one sec. Alrighty, Rhino Dorman, Blazers, Charles Grizz, Dally Jazz, John Deedon, Pelicans, Dale Mavericks, John Deedon, Knicks, Hurley with Bucks, Dale with Wolves, Cotton with Celtics, Coulson with Warriors, John Deedon with Heat, Boyd Martin with Pistons, Deedon with Hornets, Corey Leslie with Hawks, Zarina with Thunder, Dally with the Lakers, Dally's killed it, Deedon with the Kings, Boyd with Cavs, Preston with Rockets, Dally with Nets, O'Dorman Mason, Sixers, Jack Daniel Preston Spurs, Deegan Raptors, Dally Wizards, Corey Leslie Magic, Dal Clippers, Van Houten Suns, Adam Amy Bulls, Corey Leslie Pacers, and Mason O'Dorman Nuggets, and that is it.